The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the side menu and connect up your diagnostic tester. Go ahead and identify the vehicle and then go into Systems. We're going to go into Engine Management and then open up Live Data. Here's where we want to select the parameter identifications that we want to capture, one of which is going to be engine coolant temperature, oxygen sensor output voltage. So we can see communication is not possible with the ECU. The reason that is because we don't have the ignition on. We want to open up the instrument panel, make sure we turn the ignition to the run position, and now we have data. We're going to want to rescale the scanner data screen. That way we can see the whole image. Then what we'll do is go ahead and start up the vehicle. And we want to operate the engine at an accelerated idle. Somewhere around 2000 RPM should be fine to warm up the engine. And we're going to operate the vehicle like this for a couple of minutes. Now that the engine is warm, we're making an oxygen sensor wave. Go ahead and let the vehicle return back to idle and let it sit just like this for about 30 seconds or so. Then do a wide open throttle snap and let it return back to idle. This is the picture I want you to take. So I opened up my snipping tool and I captured that screen that has the scanner, the vehicle, the live data that I want. And I'm just going to save this file. Should save it inside your folder. Name the file properly. And then just upload it in the Blackboard. Good luck, guys.